Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video we're going to talk about section 148A notices. Yes, section 148A notices recently issued by department for assessment year 1920 in case of those taxpayers who have made political party donations, right? Who have made political party donations relating to assessment year 1920 and have claimed the deduction of this political party donation in their income tax returns, right? Lot of taxpayers receive notices these days, right? We're going to discuss about the consequences, the modus operandi, what happened in the search operations conducted by department on those political parties, what are the options available to the taxpayer, right? Whether the option for filing updated return is available or not, if the demand is created, and when confirmed by the appellate authority, how much taxpayer will have to pay, right? So these are the things, important certain aspects of this political party donation we're going to discuss today in this video, right? So stay with us for the entire video, right? So in the notices that has been issued by the income tax department is saying that, let's say for example, if a taxpayer made donation of 2 lakh rupees, then the department is saying that there is escapement of income of amounting to rupees 2 lakh in your income, and now we need to reassess it. So we are giving you 148 notice, and this is the time limit, this is the date by which you have to file your response, right? So this is what the summary of section 148 notice. Recently, income tax department has conducted search operations under section 132A on 23 RUPPs. Right, what is RUPP? RUPP is recognized. RUPP is, it is not, yes, it is RUPP. It is registered unrecognized political parties, and majority of these political parties located in Ahmedabad. Right. So department conducted search operations on these 23 RUPPs, and what department found during the search operation is that, right, let's understand it. There are 23 RUPPs, political parties. There are few agents, handlers, right? And there is assessee on one side, right? How this is operating, right? How the taxpayers or the political parties evading tax. Let's see this. Assessee make payment to political party, right, through banking channel. Let's say payment was made for rupees 2 lakh, and in return RUPP issued receipt to assessee that this is your receipt that you have made donations to us and you are eligible to claim it in your income tax return, right? Then comes agent into the picture, and agent says that we will charge commission of, let's say for example, 5%. We'll get this thing done for you. We'll identify one RUPP, you make payment through banking channel, and we will make arrangements so that cash will be returned to you. Then RUPP will give cash to the agent, and then agent, after deducting commission 5%, return the cash to assessee, and the commission is 10,000 rupees, and assessee will get refund or the amount back in cash, that is 1,90,000 rupees, right? Now why assessee is doing this? Let's say assessee is in 30% tax bracket, the highest tax rate bracket, and by making donations of 2 lakh rupees, assessee is saving taxes of approximately 60,000 rupees by doing this, right? And interestingly, on the other side, political parties are exempt under section 13A of Income Tax Act 1966. So these political parties don't have to pay any tax. So assessee is making fake bogus donation to the political party, and political party in return giving cash to the assessee. On one side, political party is exempt under section 13A, so there is no tax incidence on the political party, and on the other side, the donor is claiming deduction and saving taxes to the tune of rupees 60,000 by making the bogus donation. What is bogus donation? It is actually practically not a donation. Taxpayer assessee is getting the amount back in return in cash. This is what the bogus donation is. Right. Now, what will be the going to be the future outgo? Right. If demand will going to be confirmed in the assessment proceedings, how much assessee or taxpayer will have to pay? Right. First is tax at the rate 30%, that is 60,000 rupees. Being case pertains to AY 1920, so approximately this is the equivalent amount of interest, right? Interest for 2021, 2023, right? For these years, 2021, 21, 22 and 2023. So interest will, under section 234 BC, will approximately come to 60,000 rupees. And next is penalty. How much? 200% of misreporting of tax sought to be evaded, that is 1,20,000 rupees under section 270A. Penalty for misreporting, that is 200%. Right. So what is the total outgo that assessee have to pay? That is 2,40,000 rupees. Donation made for 2 lakh rupees, and now assessee have to pay 2,40,000 rupees. Right. And assessee, how much assessee save the tax is just 60,000 rupees. Right. Now let's talk about updated return a little bit, which is also a connecting topic important to discuss with this case. Right. Updated return. For AY 1920, right, assessee asked that can I file updated return? The option for filing updated return has gone now. And the interesting aspect that the department issues such notices only when the doors for all the remedies gets closed for the assessee, for the taxpayer. That the assessee cannot obtain any relief, now serve notice to the assessee. Right, that's the normal practice that department follow. For AY 2021, yes, assessee can very well file updated return by not claiming this fake deduction of political party in his return. And the last date to file updated return in this case is today, that is 31st of March 2023. And for AY 21, 22, right, assessee can file updated return and the last date is 31st March 2024. Right, so this is the story of updated return. The option for filing updated return is still available with the assessee. Now, how to reply to the notice, what should be included in the reply, and it pertains to AY 1920, right? You must take all the defenses if actually it is not a bogus donation, right? Clear? If it is a bogus donation, then you have to pay tax, interest and penalty, right? Next is, during the assessment proceeding, you must produce copy of your donation receipt that you have in your records. Second is the bank statement entry by which you made the payment. Third is there are certain case laws available at the rescue of the assessee which are in favor of the assessee. Case laws of some benches of tribunal and high courts are available. Assessee can take support of these case laws, right? Assessee can also ask for the search documents or the search report or the statements that department recorded of the person who was operating or running political party, and assessee also have right to ask for the cross examination of those statements. Then only department can use these statements as evidence against the assessee, right? So this is important. And the next is department is also dig more information. For example, if AY 1920 case has been reopened and during the assessment proceedings, if department identify that you have also claimed excess HRA exemption under section 1013A, then department can also disallow this, right? Exemption will not be granted to you, and there are multiple issues that may be dig into in your case, right, where some irregularities or where some excess claim has been found by the departmental officer during reopening proceedings, during assessment proceedings, right? So you need to be very careful in filing reply to that department. It is always advisable to take help of a professional while filing reply of such notices, right? So thank you for watching this video, short information video relating to notices issued by department for bogus donation claims to political parties by the taxpayers. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Thank you. Bye.